Hello, I'm Chef Bhushan. Today I'm going to show you whole wheat and tuna sandwich or whole wheat and soya sandwich. It's a very basic healthy recipe and very easy to prepare. So let's see how we prepare it. While choosing your whole wheat bread, make sure that it is made up of whole wheat, or else in the market you tend to have a white bread with the addition of only a caramel color. So make sure you check your whole wheat bread properly and read out ingredients clearly. While using any canned tuna, make sure that you do not add any additional salt into it because canned tuna is already in the brine solution and it contains salt. So small plating technique is always think as this is a full platform and always divide plate into half into your mind, and then you can get a stroke in between. With the help of spatula or spoon, you can get a stroke of it, divide it into half parts of it. That's it. This is your tuna sandwich ready. One more technique is to give a stroke. And simply keep your sandwich overlapped on each other. And a bit of a spring onion, just fill up the space.